start to the video.
Yeah.
We didn't.
Well, Manuel.
Aha!
I gave you one the other day.
You did not. You chucked it in the bin. Good morning. In the afternoon. How are we doing? So, I haven't picked a camera up as much as I actually wanted to do the last week or so. But I am now. There's much to catch you up on. Hopefully you're enjoying the content and the time lapses and what have you. I am trying when I pick a camera up, so just let me know if you do. But Dynamo,
I'm back.
you're here.
I'm planning to do some welding, people.
There we go. So me and Dynamo are going to jump on that in a second. This van, we've just cut the hole, put the window in, and now we need to put everything back together.
That's good.
Everything back together again, because it's not. So that's my job. I need to cut the original pan out.
Start to the video.
So I've got to put that on there and deal with that. That's my job after I help Mr. Namo out. Do kind of want to show what this idiot's up to.
Oh, Dad. Don't leave the asset.
Yes, please. You've got the Pirate VR6 star.
How are we, John?
I think I'm just trying to do something nice.
Why is everyone wearing big, fluffy, warm...
I gave you one the other day.
You did not. You chucked it in the bin.
Oh, it's in the bin.
You immediately went, do you want this? And put it in the bin. Anyway, how are you?
I'm alright, thank you, buddy.
We having fun?
Yeah.
Keeping well?
Yeah. Keeping well keeping.
Good man. Well, Mr. John, we didn't...
Well, Manuel.
Aha! Get out.
Even Dad's getting on with the crap now.
Well, this van here used to be an automatic, and she is now manual. So,
All the way to Kent for that.
is this the one from Kent, is it? So, John's already done the actual swap, and he's now just doing all the last little bits and bobs. Just got a new starter motor, which is what you seen a minute ago. And just doing all the other little fun bitties and bottities.
Yeah, she's nice. I've done them.
So John has been a busy little egg. So we'll leave John to do that.
Bye.
Have a great time. The motorhome, which I think was in the last video, you've seen that I cut off this bit. Well, Mr. Dynamo has welded it all back together again and painted it, as you can see. So that's looking lovely jubbly. Yeah, we'll see the door cards later, but I have a nice new set of door cards. Quite cool. But that's done. Wait for that to dry, put the door on, and then she is getting span around because we need to work on the other side, and maybe an engine might be. We'll get onto that later. That will be a Ron problem. I need to crack on with this. As you can see, there's a roof lining by there. And there's a Dynamo who wants a camera.
Doing this bracket delete. And after that,
Windscreen. Which is why you've probably seen we've had a couple of windscreen cuts. Because this thing is having some work. Hey, you can kind of... Yeah. So, Mr. Namo, well, he's pulled the roof lining out, and now...
as you can see them,
we need to... Oh, there we go.
delete them.
Take the bolts... Hang on. I can do it this way. There's, what's, 8 of them?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. There's another one. There's a bunch on that side.
Yeah.
As you've seen on the roof.
Rusty and leaky.
So, the plan is, get them off, weld them up, and then Di's going to start playing windscreen repair, which should be quite fun.
Yeah, can't wait.
That's going to be an interesting job. So, I'm going to be inside here with a spanner. So, me and
Extract some bolts.
are going to
It's snowing, but
So we're going to get all these bolts taken out. I ain't going to bother filming it because it's a little bit of a waste of time just watching us removing bolts. And then, well, you can watch me put that thing back together again. And then when Di does start doing windscreen stuff, we'll put the camera on you for a bit.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah. We're going to get on with this. I'll pick a camera up in a minute once I'm on that one. See you in a mo. Well, I was making a start on this. As you'll be able to see, I put the, you might not be able to see. There you go. Put that back on. It was obviously all the way up and over. Now, just need to cut the actual side panel, which is there. But somebody has asked me to help. So, my job is to hold this underneath them holes. So Mr. Dynamo can do some welding. Yeah. So,
Yeah?
yeah,
Nice and tight?
tight if I'm gonna get it.
Okie doke. Boom.
Done?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, there you go. You've just watched all of them get done. And all the ones from up there.
Dynamo strike again.
We did also put a little mat down just to stop the sparks going everywhere.
Yep.
Boop, boop. Also, why did we use the copper die?
Because you can weld to the copper and you can fill the holes easier. And I don't know if you can see it's actually nice flat finish on the other side.
So there you go. That's why I've been holding this
It's quicker.
big lump of copper. So,
Brass it is actually.
oh, brass. There we go. That's why I'm holding this big piece of brass, not copper. Anyway, I'm going to help Di get off the roof because he currently has everything up there.
Yep.
And then
Myself.
in a minute, we're going to possibly play with
Windscreen.
I'm moving a windscreen. So I'm going to put this down. I'll see you in a moment. Well, while me and Di were over there doing weldy stuff, Mr. John has been over here finitoing El Manuel.
Bon appetit. Just gonna have some water now for the test run.
We did just miss, it was up in the air. There you go, Mr. John on an El Manuel test drive. Happy days. And I've marked the line I need. I need to cut the panel so that that will fit down there and then stop just about here. And then that will be done. This can go back. The top bit, which is actually there, can go up across the top. There is like a little shelf in the back there. That can go up there. And then this thing is back together again. So I'm going to get that done. Have a little bit of potch about. Need to bring a van in while John's out. But yeah, everything going well. Anyway, I'm going to put this down. Get some stuff moved about. And get that panel put in. We'll see you in a mo. Right, there we go. I didn't show any of it, but cut that much, and obviously the carpet, off of this panel, and I have literally just stuck the bit down I had to sticky downy. So now this panel can go back in there, screw it on, cabinets in. I'm going to use the little bit of excess just to go up over the bit of red by there, and then the time all the panels are up, that should be done. Happy days. Mr. John is working on that van, so we're going to leave him in peace to just do that. That's just a few little repairs. And the other reason why I got the camera out the Dynamo is windscreen removing. So, I think the best thing to do is probably, I need to keep that bit of carpet, is to probably put you over here on a little time lapse and you can watch this slotting shoe, because I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah, this should be fun. So let's put you up here and have a little bit of a watch. Well, there you go. You just watched us remove that. There is a complete windscreen.
I'm great.
Look at that. Completely done did it. Screen removed. And completely undamaged. So, now Mr. Namo can get to the bits he needed to get to.
I think that corner was leaking.
Right, we're going to try and find somewhere to actually keep that windscreen, because my torch is on. Because we need to keep it somewhere safe. See you tomorrow. Unfortunately, I didn't pick a camera up much more. I did actually capture this bit of footage of Di going around removing some of the windscreen sealant. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a great big thumbs up. It does massively help the channel. Anyway, I'm going to get gone. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a wild dumb ass. And as always, take it easy.